Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today you're going to get a very short update on the Black Widow, which is maintained and tuned by Blue Over Performance in Vancouver, Washington. So major shout out to Chung and to Dan. Y'all do awesome work. Thanks fellas. Now keep in mind that this is the first startup since the mods were done on the car. And this footage is raw and it's uncut. So please keep that in mind because I wanted you all to be able to enjoy it perhaps as much as I did when I was there in person. So here we go.